Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about Social Studies Class 1, Lesson 8, and it's on page number 34. Open your book, page number 34. Here you have given the park. What are the names of the things in this park? Okay, things you have already given. आपने क्या करना है, उनके नेम्स बताना है. You have given here blanks. ब्लैंक्स को आपने क्या करना है, फिल करना है. ओके, द हाफ नेम हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन. आपने बताना है कि जो मिसिंग लेटर है वो उसमें क्या होगा. ओके, लुक एट योर बुक और लुक एट दिस स्लाइड. Here you have given first one. The first one is, what's the name of this thing? Yes, swing. SWING. I is missing here, so write here I. The next one is, what is this? Yes, slide. 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 I and E is missing here, so write here I and D in blanks. The next one is climbing frame. The spelling of climbing frame is CLIMBING. Climbing frame. Here you have missing here I A E. Okay, fill these blanks. The next one is, look at this picture and tell me what is this. Yes, seesaw. The spelling of seesaw is SEEC saw. SAW saw. The spelling of seesaw is SEE. Here you have missing two letters, EE, and saw. Here you have missing A. So fill up these blanks. The next one is roundabout. The spelling of roundabout is ROUND. Round. About. 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 The next one is sand pot. The spelling of sand pot is SAND. Sand. POT. Pot. Sand pot. Here you have missing two letters, and the letters are A and O. Okay, here you have given question. The question is, what do you like to play on in the park? आपने बताना है कि आप पार्क में क्या खेलना पसंद करते हैं. I write here about I like to play football, but you write here about your choice. You can write here you like to play bat ball, cricket, or any another about or according to your choice. Okay, now move on the next slide. First of all, look at your book, page number 35. Here you have given exercise A. Do exercise A on your book, page number 35. And the next one is exercise B. And exercise B is, what are these games? Have you played them? Look at your book. आपने बताना है कि कौन सी गेम है और क्या आपने ये गेम खेली हुई है. The first one is जीरो क्रॉस, और आप इसको क्या कह सकते हैं, जीरो फॉल्स. ओके. द सेकेंड गेम इज स्नेक गेम, एंड द थर्ड वन इज लूडो स्टार. ओके. Hope so you have played Ludo Star and stay game as well. Okay, now move on next page number 36. Here you have given exercise C or question number C, and question number C is look at these animals in the zoo. What are they called? Okay, इन animals को क्या कहा जाता है? Okay, the first one is look at this picture and tell me what's its name. Yes, snail. The second word is bear. Bear जो black color में होता है. The next one is monkey. The next one is bat. Okay, now move on the next slide. Here you have given another animals. And the first one is elephant. जो आगे है उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? उसका क्या नेम है? Yes, zebra. The next one is tiger. And the last one is crocodile. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Hope so you have fully enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.